Mr. Mwau, when you first filed suit, there were 2 plaintiffs in the suit. Am I correct? The second plaintiff was Pepe Limited.
Yes, my lord.
Honorable Mwau, you later amended your plaint and you removed Pepe Limited as a plaintiff.
Yes, my lord.
Among other amendments.
Originally, there was Pepe, and there were the
removed Pepe Limited.
Employees of the defendant who also removed, my lord.
You removed how many defendants?
Pepe and the second and third defendant.
So you remained with only the Nation Media Group?
Only the Nation Media Group. I removed the employees because I realized most of them had already left the media house.
So, Honorable Mwau, having removed Pepe, you are not complaining on behalf of the company. Am I correct?
That's correct, my lord.
Yes.
When you testified 2 weeks ago, on the 18th of September, you stated that you are a shareholder of Pepe Limited.
Yes, my lord. Just like I'm a shareholder of the Nation newspaper.
You're aware of?
This case you've mentioned.
Case, High Court civil case number?
480 of 2005.
480 of 2005. Proceed.
So, Mwau, are you aware that judgment was entered in that matter on the 6th of March 2005?
Yeah, the council.
2025, sorry.
The council informed me.
Council informed you?
In which judgment was entered for how much?
6 million shillings in your favor?
Sorry?
You remember that he also informed you that the judgment was in your favor for the sum of 6 million shillings?
6.
6 million, yeah.
I complained it was truly true for the damage caused.
Honorable Mwau, you have not applied to review that judgment and you have not appealed against it.
I didn't lose, my lord. I won. And my lord, to say the least, the genesis, it is not financial gain. It is redemption of the defamatory matter.
It's okay, Honorable Mwau. Just because of the time limits we have.
Okay.
Let's just keep it short and moving. You recall testifying in that matter?
Oh, my lord, if I won, I testified.
Honorable Mwau, do you recall what you said about your relationship with Pepe Limited in that matter?
Remind me, Your Honor.
Your Lordship,
Are you referring to some documents?
I'm about to, with your permission, have a copy of the judgment with me.
I'm testifying in that meeting. Is it one of the documents that
No. It's a judgment that was recently delivered earlier this year.
Yes. But my lord, I would object because
the court should take
I should
judicial
have
notice
given
of it.
this before, and I would have had the opportunity to respond.
What I would say is this. You see, in cross-examination, the cross-examiner can use even other documents, but again, the extent to which you can use these other documents that are not part of the listed documents is limited. So this can be limited only having in draw some inference from that, briefly. Yeah. Not that it should form the bedrock of cross-examination and form the bedrock of the defense case.
Your Lordship, the witness has admitted having testified.
So I would like you to
and having
Yes.
knowledge of the judgment.
Exactly. So I would like you to put this judgment to him within the shortest time possible.
That's I already arrived, Your Lordship.
Yes, thank you.
Mr. Mwau, I have a copy of the judgment to aid you. I'd like you to refer to just 2 paragraphs.
Is that the judgment? Is that the judgment?
Yes. But is it part of the record?
Yes, it is, my lord.
Yes.
Please confirm to the court that at paragraph 4W,
Paragraph?
4W, it appears at page,
In page?
4W appears at page 10. Sorry, page 11. Flip over to page 12 of that judgment.
Thank you. That is in page 12.
Yes.
Page
12 of the judgment,
paragraph.
4W,
Yes, my lord. I've said it.
4 subparagraph
Yes,
W,
my lord.
10.
page 12, 4W.
Yeah, page 12. 4W, yes.
Honorable Mwau, one of the particulars of malice, spite, and falsity contained there is that the plaintiff does not own Pepe inline container terminal. Is that correct?
That's correct, my lord.
The plaintiff in that case was you?
Yes, my lord.
The question was?
It's true, I said I do not own Pepe.
And petrol.
If you could please turn to paragraph 13.
This is 15.
At page 15, starts at page 15 all the way to page 16. Under that paragraph, your testimony is that you categorically maintain that you did not own Pepe as a director or shareholder.
That's on page.
Page 16.
Shareholder, no, my
Page
lord.
16, Page 16,
Paragraph 13.
paragraph 15, paragraph. The plaintiff denies, further, reiterates that the articles published by the defendant are lower than the plaintiff.
My lord, it is true. I denied that I do not own Pepe.
So
I'm not a director,
Yes.
but even in this court, I have considered I am a shareholder. Shareholder and directorship are not the same. Ownership and shareholding does
You
not.
find what paragraph, Mr. Ndini?
Paragraph 13, towards the tail end, says the plaintiff categorically maintained that he does not own Pepe as a director or a
I'm
shareholder.
reading a plaintiff.
The plaintiff,
Paragraph
13.
13.
No, no, it's in the judgment.
Oh, you've given me something short of the judgment. Page,
Which page are you talking about, counsel?
It starts at 15, the paragraph starts at page 15 and runs to page 16.
Paragraph 13.
Yes.
yes. In re-examination, the plaintiff said that in respect of the publication, it was not within. That's the one you're referring to?
That's the paragraph, Your Lordship.
Yes. Categorically maintained that he did not own such a company as a director or shareholder.
They must have mistake, my lord, because I categorically say that I do not own Pepe.
As to paragraph
13. There must be a mistake because I said I do not own Pepe. And I'm not a director, but a shareholder.
Okay, well, maybe you should say what it says first.
Yes, please.
From what that confirm its contents. By just saying what it says, and then you can make a rejoinder.
Honorable Mwau, if I may assist you, would you agree with me that that paragraph of the judgment says that you categorically maintained that you did not own Pepe as a director or shareholder?
That is what it says, but I am saying categorically, I told the court on oath that I am not a director and I do not own Pepe, but I am a shareholder.
Honorable Mwau, as far as the contents of that paragraph are in comparison to what you testified on the 18th of September, one of the positions has to be correct. Or rather, let me put the question differently. Both positions cannot be correct.
My lord, I'm uncomfortable because I am supposed to criticize or interpret the judge of the High Court, which I have no mandate to do so. But nevertheless,
you know,
all what I'm saying,
what he needs to say, to do, is make a comment, not a commitment.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Make a comment on that. You don't invite him to make a commitment.
No, Your Lordship, I have not done any such thing.
Yes.
I've invited the witness
Make
to
a comment.
answer as to whether the two positions are different. He does
Yes.
not have to commit to anything.
You have said they're different.
He said they are different, and that's sufficient.
but my lord, I'm also saying, whether I am a director, not
You
shareholder,
can take up that
it has nothing to do
It's
with the
a-
defamation.
Yeah, and I'm sure my colleague
Yes.
will examine on the issue. Mr. Mwau, other than civil case 480 of 2005, do you remember ever testifying that you are a shareholder of Pepe in any other proceedings?
My lord, I've testified here on oath that I am a shareholder of Pepe.
Anywhere else, that's what it is.
For instance,
In any other case.
to make it simpler, do you recall testifying in High Court civil case number 108 of 2005, where you are the plaintiff?
My lord, I am being ambushed. Those questions should have been made earlier. I cannot remember every statement or every question that I answered from my counsel in all cases
That is true.
concerning defamation.
Mr. Mwenu, maybe what you can tell him, put it to him that in this case he testified like this. So don't invite him to be the one now to remember what he has said in all those cases. But just put it to him that in this particular case you testified like this. And then he confirms.
Your Lordship, respectfully,
Yes.
the question is whether he can recall. He can simply say he does not recall.
Well, I can't recall. You said you can't recall or you can't?
Yes, I can't recall, my lord.
I can't recall. Say to him, I have testified in this case.
Honorable Mwau, would you be in a position to recall whether judgment in civil case 108 of 2005 was entered specifically on the 27th
It's
of
possible,
June?
it's possible, my lord.
You cannot recall.
I didn't say I said
No,
It's possible.
Just answer the question the way it has been put to you. Yeah, this is cross-examination. There's what the advocate wants. So just give him the answer he wants.
Well,
Okay,
the answer
just
he
answer
wants.
him the way he has asked you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Would you be in a position to recall judgment being entered in that matter, civil case 108 of 2005?
I can't recall, my lord, but I have received many judgments in my favor concerning defamation.
Okay. Do you know whether judgment was entered in this particular case?
It's possible, my lord. If it was entered, possible it was, my lord.
Honorable Mwau, judgment was entered in that case. The judgment was entered on the 27th of June 2004. And in that case, you said the defendants knew or ought to have known that you are not a shareholder in the depot through which drugs were allegedly smuggled.
My
Do you
lord,
recall giving that testimony?
my lord, first of all, I don't know where we are going because the issue of shareholding
Show you the
or
document.
owning the company, decisions made by other
Let
courts,
him not comment on a document that he has not.
I don't think I would want to comment on them, my lord,
No?
because
Okay. You can explain to him what you handed to him and invite him to.
Honorable Mwau, what
are
I've
they
given
saying
you-
they're defending me because I'm a director or shareholder of Pepe, or because I said I'm not or I am?
No, Mr. Mwau, just hold your horses. Yeah. Your lawyer will clarify all these issues.
Honorable
For
Mwau,
example.
I've given you a copy of judgment of the judgment in civil case 108 of 2005.
2108.
Yeah, 108 of 2005.
Nairobi,
Nairobi High Court civil case 108 of 2005.
108 of 2005. Yes.
A copy is also being handed to the
Yes,
court.
thank you very much.
If you could please turn to paragraph 30 of that judgment.
13 or 30?
30. 30.
Doesn't have 30.
Paragraph 30.
Paragraph 30.
Just
Oh, paragraph 30.
Paragraph
Paragraph
13.
13.
At page 13. Honorable Mwau, would you kindly confirm to the court that that paragraph states that the defendants ought to have known that you are not the owner of that depot? That's what the paragraph says.
Correct, my lord. That's what paragraph says.
That I was not a shareholder in the cocaine depot through which cocaine was allegedly smuggled. And no drugs were discovered.
Honorable,
Said contained. Yes.
Honorable Mwau, before I move to a different line of questioning, would you kindly confirm that the depot being referred to there is the Pepe Inland Depot?
Yes, my lord.
Thank you. Honorable Mwau, when you testified on the 18th of September, you informed the court that you received a call before any of the articles was published. Do you remember that?
My lord, it's true.
Thank you.
I received a leakage of intended defamatory publication.
This information was not in your witness statement, the one that is filed in court. Is that correct?
It's correct, my lord, but I'm giving evidence in person.
That's it. Honorable Mwau, you have not stated who called you with that information.
I will jeopardize his position in the media.
So you have not informed the court, you've not testified as to who called you with that information.
Even the media houses, they do not disclose their source.
Honorable Mwau, because of time, where it just elicits
I'm uncomfortable disclosing the source.
You're uncomfortable, so you've
Yes.
not disclosed
Yes.
the source. In your testimony on the 18th, you also mentioned that you called an assistant editor.
Yes, my lord.
You've not told us who this assistant editor was.
In fact, he declined to give his name.
You were the one who called him.
It's me who called. He declined to give his name.
Declined to give his name. But you had his number.
Nation newspaper is the newspaper.
Which number did you use the number for the?
Yeah, the newspaper.
So you called the switchboard and you requested to speak to the assistant.
To speak to the, actually I'm an editor, but I was referred to the, somebody said was assistant editor.
I'll accept that. Mr. Mwau, as a shareholder of Pepe Limited, according to your testimony on the 18th, you knew a gentleman by the name Bobby Macharia?
Yes, my lord.
He was the general manager of Pepe Limited?
My lord, yes, he was.
He was questioned by the CID, as it then was?
That I can't testify on oath, my lord.
Honorable Mwau, do you believe that as in the course of those investigations being conducted, as facts and events develop, the newspapers have an obligation to report on those facts as they are developing?
Yes, my lord. The newspaper can go on reporting as those facts are developing, but if they concerns a person, they have a duty to seek comments before publishing.
Now you can confirm to the court that you have not particularized any special damages throughout and anywhere in your plate. If you look at your plate, there is nowhere that you've particularized any form of special damages.
In my view, the plaint speaks for itself.
Thank you.
No? I would like you to answer the question whether the amended plaint has particularized
Any special
any
damages.
special damages. I think
Anyway.
It's important.
My lord, reading the plaint,
Yeah.
which was made by the law firm,
Yes.
I believed that such would be available,
Yeah.
indicated in the plaint.
Yes.
Yes.
But now when you look at the plaint, has the plaint particularized? It doesn't have a lot of pages.
Oh, I have to read that, my lord, from the beginning.
Okay, your lawyer can confirm.
And the writing is not very good for my eyesight.
Okay, can I confirm for you?
Yes, my lord.
Yes. Yeah, I'm neutral. I mean, it has not given the breakdown of special damages.
Oh,
I mean, listing them out and probably tabulating them and then totaling them up.
Oh, yeah,
That has not been
that I
given
can't see.
at
That
page
I
4. Page 3 has also not tabulated special damages. Page 4 has not. Page 5, nowhere it is tabulated. Page 6, they have not been tabulated, there is particulars of loss. Page 8, there is no tabulation. Page 7, no tabulation. Page 9, where the prayers are, and that's the second last page. they have not been tabulated.
I'll go with that
So
observation.
you agree? I agree. And Honorable Mwau, you remain on oath.
Yes, my lord.
See you on that day. Thank you very much. You can